What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Meatless Monday in full effect once again, y'all. And today, we doing radishes. We not only gonna cook the radish, we cooking the radish leaves. So let's get it, y'all. Let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So we're gonna start off by cutting the leaves off of our radishes. Now, these leaves are actually pretty tasty. I know a lot of people don't really eat them, but hey, I'm gonna show you how to do them today, y'all. I'm gonna show you how to do them today. So yeah, y'all, now that we got them removed, I want you to take a look at that leaf. That's a nice meaty leaf, really. You know, it ain't like a green, but it's a nice leaf. And hey, it's truly edible and tasty too. So what we gonna do here, we just gonna simply cut it on up, y'all. Now I'm cutting stems and all. Stems are gonna give a nice texture at the end. And of course the leaves gonna give a nice flavor. And look at those greens, y'all. Look at those greens. They finna be tasty too. We finna do some good things to them. Now I pre-cleaned these, but we gonna go ahead and get these into a colander for a final rinse. And oh yeah, we gotta get all that goodness. Gotta get all of it. And hey, you know I had to do more than that. Still got wifey. Wifey gotta get her some too. So we're gonna get us a few more green tops and we're gonna get those cut up. And then we're gonna rinse them on off. Give them that final rinse. Now, like I said, I cleaned them when I took them out the garden, but it's always to give them a good final rinse before you do your cooking. And of course, we had to use those radishes. We had to use them. That's just gonna add an extra layer of flavor, y'all. Now I'm gonna cut mine about a 1/4 inch thick on each slice. Now you can cook yours whole or cut it as thick as you like yours. But this is about how we like ours. We get everything cut. Time to get that onion into that olive oil, y'all. Now this is just one whole onion, simply chopped up. Now this one whole small onion, y'all. Small onion. And then we're gonna get those radishes in. And of course, you know we gotta rain on them. Gotta hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. After we rain on them, of course we gotta give them a mix. Blend those flavors in, let that salt do its job. And then we're gonna add in 2 cloves of garlic. Now I have my trusty garlic press here. I'm just gonna scrape that garlic goodness off the bottom. Give that a mix, because we definitely don't want to burn that garlic. Garlic is so easy to burn, y'all. And then you get that bitter flavor. We don't want that. Now it's time to go ahead and add in them greens, y'all. Now, you can pretty much cook this exactly like you would cook kale, and it would be absolutely delicious. But we're gonna take this one step further, just a little bit further, y'all. So once those greens wilt and they start sucking up that oil, look what we got, y'all. Look what we got. Now this can actually be a finished dish right here. Right here, just that simple. And it's gonna give you a beautiful flavor, nice crunch and texture. But I like to take it one step a little further and add me a little bit of vegetable stock. Just a little bit, y'all. I would say about a half a cup. And we're just gonna let this simmer in that veggie stock for about 5 minutes. Giving it a little mixy mix. About halfway in between. And finishing it off with a mixy mix. And guess what, y'all? It's time to play it up. So look at those beautiful radish greens with those radish bottoms. And that onion. Oh yeah. Finna eat good, y'all. Finna eat good. And hey, if you decide to grow some radishes grow really fast. You can actually get you some radishes in the ground right now and make this same meal in probably about a month or two. But anyway, let's give this a taste. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh yeah, so tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.